Welcome. If you're looking to quickly find all the music that's been shared in a specific Telegram channel, you're in the right place. Whether you want to revisit favorite tracks, discover new ones, or simply organize your listening, Telegram makes it easy with just a few taps. Here's how you can view all shared music in any Telegram channel, updated for the latest version. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have the latest version installed to access all the newest features and interface updates. Next, navigate to the channel where you want to find shared music. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list or using the search bar at the top of the app. Type the channel's name and tap to enter the chat. Once you're inside the channel, look to the top of the screen. You'll see the channel's picture or name displayed prominently. Tap on either the picture or the name. This will open the channel's info page. Here, you'll find details about the channel, its members, and most importantly, all the shared media. On the channel info page, you'll notice a horizontal list of media categories, such as photos, videos, files, and more. Swipe through this list until you find the option labeled Music. Tap on Music to open a dedicated section that contains all the audio tracks and music files that have been shared in this channel. Now you can scroll through the entire collection of shared music. Each track is listed in order, making it easy to browse, play, or download your favorites. Just tap on any song to start listening instantly within Telegram. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you can quickly access all the music shared in your favorite Telegram channels. No more endless scrolling or searching. Everything you need is organized in one convenient place. Enjoy discovering and listening to great music right inside Telegram.